Hi, welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, July 24 of 2024. I'm Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. All right, this is being pre-recorded to the open of the U.S. session, trading session. Okay, so let's take a look at the charts, and we've seen that the Magnificent Seven are not that magnificent after all, and we've seen how they're losing some of their tracks. Tesla missed targets. Their robotaxi in China is delayed, and we've seen different scenarios. So in front of us, obviously, we have the daily candlestick chart, and as you can see here, let's just draw some lines so we can see that from this low created in April. Okay, so we basically have made a nice move to the upside, and as we speak, we're doing a pullback. Okay, so we're doing a pullback. That pullback usually can be deeper than we've seen here. So let's expand our chart and see where we could probably see obviously the market's falling to or retracing to, pulling back towards 19,000 seems to be obviously right around the corner, but obviously we're not going to get there all at once. So for today, I'm looking that the market is obviously trending lower. So just to be somewhat positive about it, let's just use 19,500. Let's use 20,000 as our resistance level for it and see if this is going to continue to push lower, which likely is going to be doing that today. So selling NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the S&P. The S&P 500. So we are in volume node, which is right here, all of this block. A previous gap up, that volume node was created. So we could most likely find a lot of support around this area for so I'm gonna choose right about the lower end of all of this node and I'm gonna use the medium of the Bollinger's Band as my level of resistance. We did open with a strong gap down, so we are in a sell-off mode right now. So selling the S&P. Let's take a look at the Dow. The Dow also will be entering and going to sell. 40,000, nice round number, will be the target, and let's just use 40,800 as resistance. So selling all. The Russell yesterday was the one that showed difference in this fluctuation, but today it opened with a gap down, as you can see here. So let's just use 22,200 as probable level of support. So selling also. Crude oil could probably do a rebound today. We've seen how it has been just in a tear all week long. So today could be that possible moment that it will rebound to the upside. Let's see 70. Let's just bring our resistance to $79, and that'll be our target. Let's use yesterday's lower wick as our level of support. So buying crude oil, Nat Gas. Nat Gas also looking to continue or start again another lower leg. So $22 is going to be our level of support. 230 resistance. Gold. Let's take a look at gold. And then let's see 2380 support. So gold seems to be recovering above the 50 marker in the RSI. So let's go long, buying gold. Silver. Also, silver looks like it's looking to do a comeback. So let's leave that there and just use yesterday's lower wick. So going long, buying silver, copper. Let's take a look at copper. Copper is trading lower, so it's walking the lower band, entering almost into oversold territory. So let's just leave that those levels for it right now. So 410, selling it, at least just bring down that level of resistance. All right, so selling copper. Bitcoin looks like it's ready to make another attempt to the upside. I'm gonna bring down my level of resistance to 69. So looking at Bitcoin to make a nice move to the upside. The euro, it is falling, so 108, 109, wide range today. The pound seems to be looking to stay up north of 109, so sideways movement, and the dollar index seems to be all right. So it was moving higher. It did open with a gap up. It has been closed, but this is counter trend. So let's see what will happen with the dollar index. 103.80 is going to be that support for it. Let's see what happens. All right, that's it for me today. See you tomorrow.